Pheasant, 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 pheasant. Get ready, cockbird. Get ready. I just saw him. He's coming out. You see him? He's right here in the middle. He's running. The cockbird, I saw him. I couldn't get a shot though. I thought sure he was going to come out your side. I hear him. There he is. I just saw the tail. He's about 20 yards in front of us running.
He's right there.
Got him. Bird down. Bird down. I think there's another one up ahead of him. Okay. There should be another one in there.
I saw him running.
I think there's another one.
Okay.
Yeah, I love those instant kill shots. I think there's another one up ahead of you, man. Got him. There you go, Michael. He's yours. Take him home. No, he'll die. He'll die. I know I heard a second one in there. Now I'm a happy camper. That makes up for you guys shooting on my birds last week. I know I heard a second one in there. You see him?
Yeah, he just started fucking dying in the most awkward area. Don't fucking bite me.
Is he still alive?
Nah, I mean, kind of.
That's probably his nerves. 2 cockbirds, nice. Good deal. Finally got it on video too, it's about time. Finally have a video to make.
There you go.
Oh, that makes me real happy. I'm loving this gun. Loving this gun.
I don't know why, I always come here, it's always fucking bird in this tree line.
I'm telling you, it's my favorite spot. Every place I've ever been, it's always been my favorite spot, and this is why.
Hunt this tree line? Or did they just drop them off there and they...
It makes you wonder. I almost freaking split my pants, man. I was like, it's brand new.
The last time, 2 times we were here, a fucking bird was in this tree line.
Yeah. And they heading on the way out?
Yeah, they heading on the way out.
I'll pick in.
Oh, we need at least one more now.
I said I'd be happy with 2.
There you go. Be happy.
So now I got her 2. You know, each people go home with something.
Yeah, ain't though.
Hey, man, they can't go up on your side.
Should have came here from the start. Oh well. I mean, I'm glad we hunted that area. I never hunted that before.
Yeah.
That was nice fields. Like Michael said, there was.
Oh no, another one.
Where?
Kinda.
He's down in the weeds. He's down there in the woods.
I just heard it for
You know what? Maybe they did stock this side today.
Stock this side.
Yeah, I hear them. There's at least one, not 2 of them down there.
Maybe they stock this side. Yo, this motherfucker did not gonna die or what?
Is he still squirming?
Yeah, he's still
I shot them both in the head.
yeah, but he's bleeding.
Some on that side, some on this side, and I'll go here if you want.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. How do you think I felt last week? I didn't shoot a single bird last week. You guys shot them all. I needed that.
You good, Dad?
That's a good morale booster for me. Sorry, my adrenaline's flowing.
Oh, you're good.
It's up to you, but this is my favorite tree line. We can hit it now, we can hit it later.
Pick it in now.
I always get pheasants out here. I love this freaking tree line.
Sun's going down, so...
Yeah, sun's going down quick.
Which side do you want?
Well, I had the advantage on this side this week, so someone else take it this time. I guess I'll go this side. I mean, it's up to you.
I mean, 2 people can go over there, Michael.
Alright, I'll just stay here.
Because over there, to fix stuff.
Because I got my 2 birds right there last week. I gave one to Robert, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That side's fantastic, man, I'm telling you.
I don't care. I'll just here. I'll just live it. A little blood in my hand. I licked it off.
I got a lot out of here over the years too, right in there.
Yep.
Where you at, Michael?
Oh yeah.
Freaking loving these pants, man. I probably walk through the thick stuff. I've got plenty of lead in it. We both freaking hit it.
Yeah.
That one actually freaking scared me when it took off. You weren't freaking out shooting me that time.
I didn't take off.
That freaking scared me when it freaking took. I wasn't ready for it. Right to your right, right to your right. I think right there, Justin. Right in there somewhere. He's got to be dead. We both hit him.
Remember, always go an extra few feet.